Hi friends, I am Rajesh and today I want to tell you about the intersection. What is the intersection and its type and what are the requirements of the intersection to design the road. So let's get started the today's. So let me define you first what is road intersection or intersection. Well, an intersection is an at grade junction where two or more roads or a street meet, or you can simply define the intersection as meeting two or more road at a place. So that is nothing but a intersection. So let me show you the figure how it looks. So this is the movement of vehicles. This is the this figure is this is the figure of intersection. So the vehicles are entering in the four sides of the road in the intersection in the island. So that is nothing but a intersection. Intersection may be classified by number of the road segment, traffic control or lane design. So let's move on the type of the intersection. Types of intersection. So there are two types of the intersection at grade and grade separated intersection. Intersection at grade and grade separated intersection. So let me define you first intersection at grade. Let me tell you about the intersection at grade. These are the intersection between any two roads with relatively lower volume of traffic. In this, the traffic volume will be more at the intersection. So this is the figure of the intersection at grade. So this is the movement of the vehicles and this is the island. Due to this, the vehicles can able to move in different direction. Moving into the second one, that is grade separated intersection. In this, the intersection facilitates the movement at the different level for vehicles and pedestrian. So in this, the number of the traffic volume will be less at the intersection. You can take the example as flyover and underpass. So this is the flyover and this is the underpass. Flyover means the movement of the vehicles above the ground level. So this is the figure of the grade separated intersection. Moving into the next one, that is the requirement of intersection at grade. So the first point in this is the point of conflict area should be small in the intersection at grade. The point of conflict area should be small. And the second one is there should be adequate visibility. There should be adequate visibility. It means in the intersection, suppose this is intersection. So in the intersection there should be proper light in the intersection design so that the vehicles can easily move, and this curve should not be in rectangular, this should be in circular so that the vehicles can easily turn by seeing the other vehicles. So that is the point, there should be adequate visibility. Third point is pedestrian crossing. pedestrian crossing. So that is the requirement of the intersection at grade. So today that is all about the intersection, its type and requirement of the intersection.